I'm going to create a brand new user field. By user field, I mean a date field, time field, barcode. In this case, I'm going to go and create a date field. So first thing, user field. First option, edit and create user field. Enter. I'm going to create a brand new user field. If I wanted to use an existing user field, I would just scroll down and hit enter. But in this case, I'm going to select I'm going to create a new user field. If it's going to be a date field, time field, I'm going to set the attribute to time, enter a name. In this case, I'm just going to enter IJI, whatever makes sense for your application. First field is the text field. Here, we're going to use our codes. The codes can be found in the manual. Example, I'm going to enter DE for the month, slash, FG for the day, 20, and BC. Now, I have created the user field. I still have not added to my message. If I want to add it to my existing message, I will open it up with F3, scroll over, and add it wherever I need it to work, or wherever I need it. F2, open up my user fields, and I'm going to scroll through until I see the one I need. In this case, IJI, and there it is. So exit. I'm going to use tab to scroll through my editor, save and exit, and now my current message has been updated with the user field.